I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. Room unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day because today we're going to get started on a new lesson. Aren't you excited? Learning math every day is amazing because that means you're learning so much every day, and that means your brain is growing even if you don't think you are, okay? So today's lesson is, why do I need to know about computation? How to use compatible numbers to estimate solutions. TEKS 4.4G. Let's go ahead and get started. Excuse me. Remember, when you see this little guy, pause the video and write down what is on the screen, okay? Objectives. Students will know how to round numbers to the nearest 10, hundreds, and thousands place. Students will understand how to estimate whole numbers. Students will be able to share in a group discussion how to round to the nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands place, or using compatible numbers to estimate solutions involving whole numbers. Here it is in Spanish, just in case you need it. Sorry. Essential questions. How can you use compatible numbers to estimate? Okay. Important vocabulary. So we have 3 new important vocabularies: compatible numbers, estimate, and round. Well, technically you only have 2 new vocabularies because you know what rounding is, but we'll go over it just in case you don't remember. Compatible numbers. Numbers that are easy to compute mentally and are close Numbers that are easy to compute mentally and are close in value to the actual numbers. For an example, 91 is closer to 90, okay? Estimate. To round a number or find a value close to it, okay? So, for an example, 562 is close to 600, so that's why we use 600. 233 is closer to 200, so instead of multiplying 562 times 233, I can estimate and multiply 600 times 200 and use power of 10 properties and get 120,000, okay? Round. Finding a number that is close to the actual number but simpler. For example, 42 rounds to 40. Find the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. Okay? For an example, 42 rounded to the nearest tens place is 40. And I just said that again. Alright, let's go ahead and look at a video.
So, what do you want to do first? There's the space attack adventure, the haunted hovel, the puking teacups, the log ride, the monorail. That just goes around the park, in a circle, slowly. Oh, all right. Dear Tim and Moby, how is estimation different from just guessing? From Biff. Well, In everyday life, you'll hear people use those words as if they mean the same thing. But estimation and guessing are totally different. A guess is a prediction based on little or no evidence and no real method. An estimate is a prediction based on some evidence, even if it's imprecise, that you use mathematical principles to interpret. Believe it or not, estimation is one of the most useful maths concepts you'll learn. It can help with all kinds of real-life problems, from planning your day to budgeting your money. I knew you'd want to eat about 10 servings of candy floss today. I figured they couldn't cost more than £2 a piece, so I brought £20 of candy floss money for you. That's an estimate. Something else? All right. Take a look at this queue for the monorail. I could guess from how long it is that we're going to be in it for at least an hour. But if we wait for a monorail to come and pick up a load of people, we can make a more scientific estimate. About a quarter of the people in front of us were able to fit on it. Looks like about 20 people. According to that sign, the monorail comes once every 5 minutes. So, if 20 people get on the train every 5 minutes, we can estimate that this queue is approximately 20 minutes long. 20 minutes. Just to get on the stupid, boring monorail. Yeah! Woo! I wonder how long this crummy monorail trip will be. Most maps have their scale printed on them. That's the ratio between distances on a map and distances on the surface of the Earth. On this map, 1 centimetre is equal to 25 metres. That's a scale of 1 to 2,500. OK, let's estimate. You can use any straight edge as a ruler. You can even just use the knuckles on your finger if that's all you've got. I'll use my very happy Funland ticket. Say we wanted to find the distance between the Pirates of the Channel Islands and Mr. Frog's car accident. 4 centimetres plus another 4 and a little left over. OK, it's a little over 9 centimetres. We'll just round that up to 10. When you estimate, it's best to use round numbers, which are easy to deal with in your mind. So, according to this map, the 2 rides are about 250 metres apart. But back to this monorail track. The track is a circle, more or less. It's not exactly a circle, but we're estimating here. 4 plus 4 plus 4... Looks like our circle has a diameter of about 21 centimetres. Let's round that down to 20, since we don't have a calculator. If 1 centimetre on our map is 25 metres in real life, 20 times that distance is 500 metres. The formula for finding a circle's circumference is c equals pi, or about 3.14, times the circle's diameter. So, the circumference of the track equals pi times 500. Let's just round that to 3 times 500 to get 1,500 metres. I guess we're crawling along at about, a metre per second, so we're looking at 1,500 seconds on this fun machine. Do you realise how long that is? Right, about 25 minutes, on the monorail, while everyone else gets to ride the fun rides. Get off me! Fine. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Oh my gosh, she was being so mean to him. Alright, So tomorrow we're going to continue the next lesson of estimating, okay? It's going to be a really good one. Excuse me. Here are your notes so that you can copy it already in your notebook. All right? This is just an example, and I'll go over this tomorrow, okay? And here is your notes that you should copy in your notebook, okay? This would really help out if you already do this today, and then that way you kind of get somewhat of an idea tomorrow when I go over the lesson. Excuse me. I don't know why I have the burpees. So, I can't wait to see you tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to do our last lesson for computing numbers because it's a short lesson, okay? Well, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.